Welcome! Today, you'll practice talking about mistakes, awkward moments, achievements, and difficult days. What happened?
There was a small misunderstanding, but we sorted it out in the end.
What went wrong?
I think we didn't explain things clearly enough at the start.
How did you fix it?
We talked through it again and agreed on what to do next.
What did you learn from it?
I learned that it's better to confirm things early.
How do you feel about it now?
I feel okay about it now because the problem has been fixed.
What happened?
I did something a bit awkward in public, but luckily it wasn't too serious.
Why was it funny?
It was funny because everyone noticed, and I had no idea what to do.
How did you react?
I just laughed it off and tried not to make it more awkward.
What did other people do?
Most people laughed kindly, so it wasn't too embarrassing.
How do you feel about it now?
Now I think it's funny, but at the time I felt really embarrassed.
What are you proud of recently?
I'm proud that I've been consistent with something I wanted to improve.
How did you achieve it?
I worked on it little by little instead of trying to do everything at once.
What was the hardest part?
The hardest part was staying motivated when progress felt slow.
How did it feel when you finished?
It felt really good because I knew I had put in the effort.
What's your next goal?
My next goal is to keep improving and build on what I've already done.
How was your day?
It was a tough day, but I got through it.
What made it difficult?
A few things happened at once, and it felt a bit overwhelming.
How did you handle it?
I tried to stay calm and deal with one thing at a time.
What helped you feel better?
Taking a short break and talking to someone helped me feel better.
What do you do after a difficult day?
I usually rest, have something to eat, and try not to think too much.
Great job! Practice again and make your answers sound more natural.